Understanding, kick off the show, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used English phrase, kick off the show. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in. Kick off the show is an idiomatic expression that originally comes from sports, particularly football, soccer, where a game starts with a kickoff. In everyday English, it means to begin or start something, usually an event or a process. It implies the initiation of action with enthusiasm or vigor. Let's see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. In events, the host is ready to kick off the show with an exciting performance. 2. In meetings or projects, we will kick off the meeting with a brief overview of the project. 3. In broadcasting, the new season of the TV series will kick off with a special episode. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various situations, emphasizing the start of something important or exciting. There are similar phrases that carry the same meaning. For example, start off the show, begin the proceedings, commence the event. While these can be used interchangeably, kick off the show often adds a sense of excitement or energy to the sentence. To use this phrase effectively, context is key. Make sure the situation involves starting something significant. Emphasize the energy. Use it to convey enthusiasm about the beginning of an event or process. Be mindful of the audience. It's more informal, so it's perfect for casual conversations or events, but might not be ideal for very formal settings. I hope this video helps you understand and use kick off the show confidently in your daily conversations. Remember, learning such phrases makes your English sound more natural and fluent. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to kick off your learning journey with more such expressions. See you in our next video.